Hello everyone and welcome back to my brand new YouTube channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I am Divyanshi, and in today's video I'll be showing you my marathon goodie bag. So I'll be running my very first marathon on 1st of February 2026, and today is 31st of January, and after classes I went to GNL Stadium to collect my bib and marathon goodie bag. So yeah, so without any further ado, I'm so excited to show you all the things I got and what are the things in my goodie bag. So firstly, this is the goodie bag. I mean, like, see how pretty it is. I mean, like, look at this. I'm so freaking obsessed with this tote bag. I also got a calendar. It's written Indian Navy. So this marathon is conducted by Indian Navy. So yeah, like, this was free though. I did not pay anything for this calendar. It was free, so I got it because everybody was, like, everybody was having it there. It was so good. I'll be adding some clips of today's video. So I got something like energy drink or something, like, okay, it's electrolyte. This drink, I have two. Okay, so we got two. Okay, one is real juice and one is the electrolyte. So good. Second, we have this coconut water. Then we have this. This is also something like okay, this is also electrolyte, as you can see. So one more. Then we have this Indian Navy calendar. Okay, so one more calendar we have. This is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Alright, this is cute. So okay, also this is the calendar, and this is the bib that I have for tomorrow's run. I'll be wearing this here. Okay, then we have, okay, this is something like Cetaphil. Okay, alright, this is skin moisturizer. Okay, it's like a small sample of Cetaphil moisturizer, this that I got. This is also cute. Alright, then we have I don't know what it is. Okay, we have rain card, obviously, if it rains tomorrow. Then obviously we have this marathon t-shirt. Well, this is cute. They have like literally put a bow here. Okay, let's open this. Oh my god, so excited. I got the medium ones, but I feel like it's small. Yeah, it's small. But yeah, this is the marathon t-shirt that I'll be wearing tomorrow during my marathon. This is the t-shirt. And then we have this. I don't know what it is. I have to figure out, like, Biozyme Performance. I don't know what it is. Clinical improvement. I have to check about this thing. Like, I don't know what it is. High protein absorption performance. I don't know what it is. Like, I have to see. I have to look for, like, this thing. Alright, then we have this Pee Safe toilet, very much needed if you go outside. So yeah, and this is much needed. Like, this is very important thing, and I am very excited to use this because I need this for my NCC, uniform and everything. So, and this though. Yeah, so that's all. Like, it's all empty. So these were the things that I got, and so excited. I am so excited for tomorrow's marathon run, and yeah, let's see what happens. And yeah, so that's it for the goodie bag video. Come back tomorrow after I finish my marathon. Bye.